Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour Dridgers. If you're new here, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK.
We are currently in Fez in Morocco. We've probably seen enough of like the Medina and stuff, so we're gonna get a taxi and explore the modern area. There's meant to be a big mall here and loads of like modern stuff. We do need to get our train tickets, so it is just an excuse to explore a different part of Fez, but I'm excited to see what it's got to offer.
First of all, we need to work out how to get out of Medina, because where we're staying in our Riad, we're literally in the heart of it. We have no idea how to get out of there. We've only ever travelled into the Medina and the other side. We've never actually tried to get out of there.
That way.
That way? Follow and Ben. Suppose it's 3 minutes, so we'll probably see you in an hour.
Yeah, I think like I'm following like the maps, Google Maps and stuff, and obviously it's a little bit unreliable in Medina.
Loads of cats are like coming out.
Love them.
Like 6 of them just all come out from under the car. So they must be like living there.
Just love cats so much.
Alright, chill Ben. But today it's a bit overcast. It's not cold and it's not hot. It's like in between. That's why it's jackets days, trousers days.
Yeah.
The comfy day.
But I just want to say, how are you getting?
How am I?
Yeah.
I'm fine, you?
I was just thinking that I never ask how you are.
Oh, I'm doing fine.
Good.
You weirdo.
That's good to know.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. Yeah, I'm positive, in good spirits.
We don't always speak to each other, that's
No,
probably
no.
why.
I just never ask you how you are.
Alright, let's find the way out of here first, Ben.
We're outside the Medina. We've managed to order an in-drive. He is 6 minutes away. His name is Mahid. This morning, we just spent the morning, and it's now 2:30, so we're not out to the afternoon. This is like typically what we actually do. We spend the morning editing, getting a video's ready to go up tonight, and then in the afternoon we go out and film. But we do need, first trip, we do need to get our train tickets because we're leaving Fez tomorrow and we're heading to Marrakesh. Number plate 186 is a Burgundy Alfa Romeo Gluten, however you say that. He's 2 minutes away, should be here very soon. In drive, yeah. How are you, okay? Good.
Ben?
Yes.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, Fez station.
Fez station, please. Shukran, thank you.
That way, yeah?
Oh, this way?
Yes.
Shukran.
Thank you.
Right, we're here. Because in drive, obviously there's loads of taxis outside the train stations. He's dropped us like 5 minutes away, but we're just walking there now. Obviously there's going to be a bit of a dispute and an argument if we drop off outside. There's loads of taxis about outside in in-drive fashion. 5 minutes away, we're just walking there now. Look at this beautiful station. You've got to say, I've said it all the time, in Morocco they have the most beautiful stations, and this could be, I reckon, the best of the lot, don't you reckon?
100%.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't
The
it?
entrance, I love the archway. We've got our tickets, they were 234. It is a long journey, it's like over 6 hours. We went for second class this time, but this train station, like as soon as you get inside, look at the size of the line.
It's unreal, isn't it?
Look at this, it's just
Best
so
station
nice.
I've seen this time.
But I'm glad we got this sorted. 11:40 tomorrow, making our way to Marrakesh. Now let's make our way to the mall.
And we can still have breakfast.
Look at this, we've just come across this road and they've all got oranges in the trees, all down the road. I feel like we should try one.
No, you can't.
Might be illegal.
No, you can't try one until it drops. Then it's right.
Is that the rules?
Right, we're in the commercial Borj Fez. This is the biggest mall in Fez. Don't know what we're looking for. Don't even know what we're in it for. Probably gonna grab some food while we're here, but I'm looking around. There's like, so there's a Adidas shop there. Just gonna see what we find. Just a day of exploring the modern areas. That's all it is.
So there is actually a sign of all the shops here. So it's actually not a massive mall, but big enough. We've got the first level that has a big colourful supermarket on it and a couple of shops, and then we're on the second level which has got the main shops, and then I think the top, the third level, has all the food, restaurants and cafes. We've got Body Shop there, and we've also got a couple of ATMs, both charge. I haven't found an ATM out in Morocco that doesn't charge, so I don't know if it's a thing. It's about $3 every
Maybe
withdrawal.
it might be like a bank issue. You might be able to get like a different account.
Yeah, I'm not sure. It might be our card. I'm not sure. Virgin Mega Store here. I haven't seen one of these in ages. They've also got like makeup in here. Not just gadgets.
I've seen one of these since like the 90s.
We've got like gadgets over there, and then makeup. So look at the makeup. That Virgin shop's really good. If you need like Apple stuff or new gadgets while you're out here, it's got all of it in there. But to be honest, it looked like it's about the same price as the UK.
Yeah,
I think
they're like it's like a universal price.
But we're gonna go up to the top floor and see what's on like the food court kind of area. Favourite part. So on top floor we've got Burger King, we've got Pizza Hut, we've got Domino's. There's not loads here. We've got our Iceberry, we've got an Italian place. So there's a few places here. It's not like overwhelming and too many here. Oh, this food place, La Pacora. Don't know how to say it. That place looks really nice. Looks like really good burgers and tacos. And there's also loads of like seating area, and there's actually a fun park all the way over there.
I was gonna say Reanne's like she's not she's not showing it on her face, but she's like mega.
I am showing it on my face. On my hands up.
Because she's handing me the camera, and you know like the strap we've got around the camera. You probably don't know, but we've got a strap around the camera, and obviously when I took it off my hand, I accidentally like ripped it, and now
it's broke, so we haven't got a strap at the moment. It's got plaster wrapped around it because the plastic kept tapping on our camera and you could hear it in the background, so we've put plaster on it. But now we have no strap.
Yeah, I'll hear about that later.
We've come into the supermarket. I've run out of toothpaste and some like cotton bud things, so I've just grabbed them. Also, you know, we've got a long train journey, so you can't have a train journey without Leader chips. Oh my god, look at this section. We've got like fresh juices. Oh, orange. We've got like yogurt pots, I think. Salads. Sandwiches, pizzas. The first section's amazing.
Shopping done. That's us stocked up for our long journey tomorrow. We are, because it's sort of like a modern day, we're going to stay in the mall, go up to the food court and find something to eat. I think there's going to be something like, maybe we haven't tried yet, we're going to try. Taco de Lion. We have seen this everywhere, but we're yet to try it. We absolutely ordered more than what we can probably eat, the entire menu. I'll show you what we got. 2 Pepsi Maxes, a snack box, which is full to the brim. It's got potato wedges, onion rings, chicken nuggets, a large maxi fries each. Chicken tacos look incredible. That. We paid 20 extra to make it extra large, so this is like extremely big. They also give us like sauces. I'm gonna dig in and try the taco first. Right, I'll bite it probably in the middle.
Normal.
Yeah, normal. One was spicy, one wasn't.
Is that spicy?
This is spicy.
Oh yeah, look. It's ticked off there.
Yeah. Little kick. Obviously I went for the spicy version. It's got some Algerian sauce and it's just a bit of sweet as well. The chicken's like soft, very juicy, very nice. So it's hot, it's not too hot, it's just warm to touch.
If you don't know what a taco is, it comes with chips inside. So we've got chips inside and chips on the outside.
Yeah, these are French tacos. So French tacos are like French. Try the chips, because chips are hit and miss. Chips could be like, well, you know, chips are hit and miss. Right. Delicious. Reminds me of like McDonald's chips. It's a generous portion, even though we went for the maxi, extremely generous. Very nice, potatoey, crunchy. Chicken nuggets, and then we got another chicken nugget. They're 2 different sizes, so I don't know they're different. Taste one and taste the others. Let us know. I will. That's chicken nugget, but that's very dry. Sauce got very well on it. Same, exactly the same thing, but one's big and one's small. Don't really get that. Onion ring.
Love onion rings.
I love onion rings, but they're not that great.
They're not?
No. The snack box just tastes a little bit like it's just like thrown in the oven. Everything else, the taco and the fries, perfect. The snack box, not worth it.
So this is probably our most expensive meal the whole time we've been in Morocco. It comes to 210 dirham, which is a lot for how much we normally spend. We roughly spend maximum 100 per evening. If you know, we're budget travellers, live for $30 a day, but obviously we got extra things and made extra big just so we could see it and try it. To be honest, from looking at where Ben's tried, I haven't tried it. I'm not overly like wowed. Ben, what's your rating on it? You tried a lot of tacos the whole time we've been here.
I have tried a lot of tacos. I would say the tacos probably no better than other tacos I've had.
Rating out of 10?
I do love the tacos though. 7 out of 10, which is quite generous. I could even go 6.5. 7 out of 10, 6.5.
Oh my god, I'm absolutely full now. That was so big. But we're gonna head back. We're gonna get a taxi, but we've got to get obviously away from the mall to order our in-drive. But along here, they look doing henna tattoos.
Yeah,
Already got one. You were asking me.
Going on here.
Still got mine going strong. But I do love a henna. And these bracelets, I think they've got like names on them. It's quite a cool little area. Food, snacks.
I swear none of this was here like earlier.
No, it wasn't. No, thank you.
Oh no, thank you.
No, thanks.
Anyway, we're going to finish the video here. Make sure you watch the next video because we're heading to Marrakesh and it's another train journey.
Travel day.
Yeah, our longest one yet. So subscribe.
Got a song in my head now.
Yeah, I know. Tune there.
They do banging tacos here.
Yeah,
There's...
I was
Oh
just-
no!
Okay, sorry.